Hey, what's happening? We're gonna do some country gravy or sausage gravy and biscuits. So you just need a pound of whatever kind of breakfast sausage. I'm gonna use some poultry seasoning, a little bit of butter, flour, 3 cups of milk. And when you start, just turn the oven on to whatever the biscuits are supposed to be at, and start preheating it. 350 is what they are. I'm gonna put them on the pan here and get them ready. And then as soon as that's ready, I'll put them in. But if you start the oven right now and do it, it'll all work out. Everything will come out just at the right time. The biscuits will be done when the gravy's done. So we'll do it that way. So yeah, just take your meat and turn it on. Start frying it up, brown it down. My brother showed me this, and I never knew how to make it until he showed me. And after that, this is the only way to do it. Don't buy the crap in the package or in the jars. This is so easy and just it's great. And eat, just trust me. Stop doing the cheap way. Don't be a bum. Do it right. This isn't quite a pound of meat because my daughter took some out, but it'll be alright. If you want to use 2 cups of milk and make less, you just use a little bit less flour. Like I'm going to use 3 cups of milk and I'm going to put like 4 tablespoons of flour. So if you want to use 2 cups, just put like 2.5 tablespoons of flour. Because it makes it pretty thick. You can make it, you can put less flour and make it more watery, however you want it. But I like it pretty thick. So, all right, let me cook this up and we'll come back or brown it up. Alright, the oven just beeped that it's preheated, so throw your biscuits in there. Alright, it's about time that does it. The meat's ready. It's browned up. Not much grease with this kind of meat here, so you just leave what you got in the pan. Then we'll take a couple tablespoons of butter. Put it in there and mix that around with it. Melt it down. Burner's on high again. Piece of crap. I don't know how I'm going to deep fry it. I'll do some fried chicken, but I don't know how I'm going to cook it on this stove. Alright. I'm going to take 3.5 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to mix this in real good. And you can take the meat out. Some people take the meat out and put it aside and then do like a little roux with the flour. But I've done it both ways. I don't notice a difference. So this is just easier. Leave the meat in there. So once you get the flour mixed in, it's going to take. We're going to take cold milk. We ain't scared of lumps, and we're going to dump it all in there. 3 cups. We're going to turn up the heat and bring it up to a good simmer. And I'm going to add a shake of a little bit of the poultry seasoning. If you don't have it, you don't need it. Some cracked black to taste, whatever you want. And gonna need some salt, definitely. But you want to let it cook a little more and then taste it when it's cooked, and then put some more. But it needs quite a bit of salt. And that's it. We're gonna bring this to a simmer, and I'll be back, and it'll thicken up. I just put more cracked black in there. Like I said, put as much as you like. I like it nice and peppery. Not like you get at the restaurants where it's just no flavor, nothing in it for the old folks. And you can use spicy sausage if you want, or you can just add cayenne powder or whatever to it. I've done that, but I don't want it hot. I'm just doing it regular. Bring it up to a little simmer like this. Keep stirring it. I'm sure it's on high. Well, maybe not. Just kind of keep stirring it. You're just going to cook it for, I don't know, about 10 minutes. And you'll see it thickening up, and as it cools, it thickens more. So you get a feel for it. Forgot to set the timer on the biscuits, but usually they come out, or they take about 14 minutes. It's about time this is done. This might be done like a minute or a couple minutes early, which is fine. I can sit there and cool down a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to keep doing this for a little bit. Doesn't take long. Alright, this has been on another 5 minutes. As you can see, it's thickening up. That's all it's going to need. That's it. Just turn it off. You can take it off the heat or let it cool down on the heat. It don't matter. And that's it. I'm waiting on the biscuits. I put a little less flour this time, so you see here. It's a little more liquidy than I usually make it, because it really thickens up as it cools down, so we'll see. I usually put about 4 tablespoons of flour. I think I put 3.5. Or no, I used to put 5 in there. I think that's a little too much. Anyway, waiting on the biscuits here. Let's let this cool down and it'll be ready. Yum. Alright, biscuits are done. This is done. Here it is, and I already tasted the gravy, so I know it's good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make it easy, delicious, good old gravy, country gravy. Alright. Alright, thanks for watching.